Hello everyone, today I'm testing the Sony 24-105G lens, the full frame lens on my crop body A6300. The 24-105mm range translates into about 36-157mm full frame equivalent. So you will lose the wide angle view, but you will gain some telephoto range. It can be a nice trade-off if you are shooting from a distance. The 24-105mm lens is equipped with OSS, which is an advantage the little brother Sony 16-55 f2.8 doesn't have. With OSS, you can rest easy with your telephoto shots and videos. I just wish there was a way to download in-body image stabilization into my Sony A6300. No, that's not how it works. The lens on the body itself doesn't feel too weird until you zoom it out. The lens is not light, but it fits well with the Sony crop body. I remember using the Sony 24-240 super zoom on my A6300 and felt and looked ridiculous. This lens is smaller and lighter, and it's acceptable on a crop body. At 24mm, it is about 36mm field of view, a full frame equivalent, which is not so versatile. You can hardly do selfie with this, but I do like 35mm angle of view very much as a general photography focal length. Image quality wise, this lens is performing pretty well on a crop body, I think. I have no APS-C standard zoom lens at the moment, which makes it very hard to make any direct comparison. But I did a little quick test against my Sony 10-18mm at 16mm focal length, and the G lens seemed just a little bit sharper. Overall, I think it can be fun to use this combination, and you can get longer shots with the lens on a crop body, but it will not be a general purpose lens anymore, and the versatility is greatly hindered. So, do I recommend use this lens on a crop body? Yes and no. Only in certain situations when you need to shoot long range video and photos. Definitely not when you are trying to invest lens on your crop body cameras. It's better off just to get a crop lens. Alright, that's it, and stay tuned for my real review of this 24-240 lens on a full frame camera, obviously. Thanks for watching. Bye.